Rama, Kalyana Rama. Rama, Jaya Rama. Janaki Rama, Jaya Rama. Kodanda Rama, Kalyana Rama. My humble pranams at the lotus feet of our most beloved Bhagavan, respected elders, boys and girls. Don't want to call you youth at all. You look like boys and girls to me. What can I do? You may have children, but yet you are boys and girls to me. Now, this is the penultimate or last session, I do not know. But I need to say few words as a matter of gratitude, thanksgiving, and onerous responsibility. In the first place, let me thank our most beloved Bhagavan to have brought me to this vast, beautiful land of Canada for the second time. Thank you, Swami, very much. It all began with a letter from the zone chair, from Tayaparan council chair, who wrote me a letter that I should be attending the first National Youth Conference, and that letter turned to be the divine command that brought me here. Thank you, Tayaparan, for your loving letter. I really appreciate him for the simple reason I give email at 7 o'clock in the morning. By 7:08 you get a reply. You give email at 8:05 you get the reply. He works with that spontaneity befitting the space age and the computer age that we live in. This country needs that kind of leadership. I'm also equally happy to find a person who is almost chasing me. Chasing me or haunting me. Trying to find out what I need, what I do not need. Trying to find out my necessities. Trying to find out the time when I should have rest, how comfortable I am. Treated me as a member of their own family. I found in the couple, Mr. Yogeshwaran and Sharada Yogeshwaran. I pray Baba to bless them. You would have been happy had I mentioned Sharada first, Yogeshwaran next. But I feel Yogeshwaran first, Sharada next. Why? Because Sharada has all the job and equal expression. Yogeshwaran talks with his tender, beautiful looks and a care. That's what he is. I pray Baba to bless the couple. Thank you very much. I know a gentleman whom I met long back. I know him by his personality. I recognize him quite often. We smile at each other. He continues to be same as before. I want to know his health secret. Maybe that he has to be interviewed on ZTV someday. Sri Siva, Coordinator, Region 2. Thank you very much. I am also equally happy to have met Chandra Gopi, Coordinator, Region 1. Really does a very good job. And then, on that day in Toronto, at the time of meeting of the council, I saw a person, is not walking or rolling or jumping or floating, I do not know. Suddenly start speaking of important activities relating to youth. He is Pradeep Mahalingam, the National Youth Coordinator. I'm extremely happy. I'm very much impressed with him for the simple reason he met me earlier and discussed the agenda. That shows how committed he is. Pradeep Mahalingam, may Bhagavan shower his choicest blessings on you and your family so that you will take this youth wing onward, forward, further and farther. God bless you. But after coming to this site, camp site, more than Pradeep Mahalingam, his son, yes, his son, Sachin Mahalingam, has become a self-appointed Secretary of Anil Kumar. I'm very happy. And funny thing is, on the first day I said, seeing that fellow, "Are, would you like to be National Youth Coordinator?" He said, "Yes." Then I said, "Ask your father to vacate first." And then I should tell you, my friends, by virtue of my age, exposure, and experience, I can say one thing. You will not be a stranger. I repeat, mark my words. You will not be a stranger. You will not be a foreigner all over the world, no matter wherever you stay, no matter whatever language you speak. When you are with Sai family, you are one with the Sai family. That's Sai family. There in Toronto, I just stepped in. Within seconds, they made me one among them. Usually, I claim that I am fast, but that couple proved to be faster than Anil Kumar himself. In coming closer to me, and they understood me through and through, I understood them thoroughly. To be honest enough, I moved in their family, Swami is the witness, more intimately, underline, more intimately, more closely than with my own blood relations. That was the hospitality, reception, love, generously showered upon me. Chetan and Geeta, there in Toronto, my lovely folks. On my previous visit, I had been to that Sai school in Toronto, Ontario. There I met Pillai for the first time, a Pillai of the Britisher type, as I understand, quite tall and stiff and serious. Good. I was wondering how a teacher can afford to be like that, but he was quite commanding. And later I came to know that he retired and shifted to his native place, Edmonton. Then I was doubting who would be the next principal of such a high school in Toronto. To my surprise and total satisfaction, I found in Revati a very good leader of Sri Satyasai School in Toronto. I saw that school coming up and the new building also. The new building is having a bridal look, ready for the inauguration. So spacious, so beautiful, so beautiful. Please listen to me. If you are to feel proud of anything, if you are to have anything for future, if you want to have any beacon here in Canada, it is going to be Sri Satyasai School, Toronto. Not to my knowledge, in the West, in particular, such a vast school is present, such a big school is present. I don't think so. God has blessed this holy land with a beautiful school as in Toronto. It is the duty of every one of us to see that it will spread the message of love, the message of sacrifice throughout the country. Let us have all our workshops, education, human values workshops. Let us have educare conferences in the school coming up there in Toronto. May Baba bless you more and more of service in the years to come. Then my next place of visit happened to be a place with a person who was responsible for the construction of a building by name Yejur Mandir in Prashanti Nilayam. That Yejur Mandir is a beautiful art, a beautiful building indeed, inaugurated by Bhagavan himself. He is Kishan Singhal of Ottawa. I was very happy to meet him and his wife. And I was also extremely happy to have been welcomed, invited, and received by Punita Patel, President of Sai Center, Ottawa. I should also bring to your notice now, I met there in Edmonton, Kamala Sekhar. Kamala and Sekha, Dr. Pillai in Edmonton, and yes, beg your pardon, your lovely name please? Pardon? Oh, Preeti Bhatt, yeah. Preeti, really, as the name is so Preeti, Preeti meaning so sweet, yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for all the love. Convey my greetings to Sekha, the president of the center, Edmonton. God bless you, Preeti. And Preeti planned to be here in the last minute. It is the airline that must have pushed her here, or Swami who must have dragged her here. And we should thank her husband for sparing your services. My greetings to both of you. Then my next place of visit happened to be a place where I saw very familiar couple who are distantly related. But I say in front of Bhagavan, relationship is nothing, a pretense after all, in front of such a Sai Baba relationship. Yeah. That is thicker than blood relationship. That has been my experience all along. But in that place, I met the couple, and they're distantly related to us, with a promise that they would send us South Indian food, South Indian chutneys, South Indian curries, South Indian sambar, the spicy food. I'm a hot man, what am I to do? I eat all spicy stuff, Chilies go straight, no problem. Air conditioned, no problem. That's what it is. And the couple brought the stuff. But the point is, they wanted me to stay with them. I could not stay with them because I'm allergic to pets, like cats and the dogs. I'm highly allergic, so I could not stay with them. Therefore, when Muhammad could not go to the mountain, mountain came to Muhammad. So the South Indian dishes came to some other residents, where they are North Indians, served me South Indian stuff from this couple. A lovely combination of North and the South. Sudhakar Cherukupalli and his wife Kamala from Vancouver, they hosted me very nicely. And I should tell you, something like though I met these people, another couple, where the food is served from North India, the name is quite familiar. The name of that man is very familiar, known for his money and known for his charity, in whose name a research Institute of Fundamental Sciences is established in India. A very good man, loving man. I was told that they're Parsis, and his wife, they were competing with each other. Who is better than the other? You cannot say. She is good, he is better. He is better, she is best. Such a competition. Made for each other is a simple word. Shower of love. They happen to be Tusha and Jamshedji from Vancouver. My thanks to them. Then I am rushing to the camp here, and when I rushed to the camp, I was received there at the airport and then stepped into their house. What did I see there? As anybody's home, it was also so nice. But what is special there? What is special there? 24 hours. 24/7, you listen to Radio Sai bhajans. Complete throughout, all the day. And apart from that, you find the two boys singing simultaneously. And you find the father an expert of classical music himself. And they will be telling you what raga it is, what tune it is. We know what roga disease, but not raga. He goes on speaking about it. It is a nest of singing birds. One would be transported to the heaven because of Sai bhajans going on there. Throughout the day, you have got the speakers there in all corners, lovely bhajans. Apart from that, the desire to prepare food, the desire to serve the best dishes I like, trying to make it as spicy as possible. And the couple have become experts today to make coffee, what I would say, Spencer standard of coffee. Spencer, London, standard, more than Starbucks. And they make the coffee and bring it to me. Lovely couple indeed, full of sai, full of devotion. Gopi and Prema from Montreal. And very funny thing is, I met one of his two sons who has been attending the conference. Usually the name seems to be different. It is Satish, right? No, Pradeep. Pradeep, that's it, national coordinator. Everywhere you find Pradeep only. But I don't know how his father named this boy Prateep. You call him Teep, right? So Prateep. Later I asked his father, why Prateep? I have not heard anywhere. And his father tells me, in Raghuvamsha, on the clan of Rama, there is one King Prateep, therefore he named him like that. And the boy is a teacher for himself with very good expression, keen interest in music, and plays on guitar and sings well. May God bless you. Prateep. I also met his brother Prashant. Yes, Prashant truly named, his face is Prashanta, totally peaceful, also loves music. Equally, convey my greetings to him. At this moment, I should also convey to you, watching me a little bit slow in the beginning, fast later, can stand any longer, can dance at times, but yet the joints give me some initial pain. Immediately there came an young man, almost looking like a film actor, almost. If I am to make a film, I would like to make him the hero in my film. He is like that, quite tall in stature, very thin and slim, trim, with a lovely beard also. It seems to be latest style, very handsome, and the beard and the complexion made a perfect match indeed. And suddenly he came to see me and he said, "Uncle, how are you doing?" I said, "I am fine." He said, "Let me examine your knees." Why? You mean N-I-E-C-E or K-N-E-E-S? I am fine. No, uncle, let me examine. He examined. He said, "You are traveling from May 20th. You are quite fine," he said. That boy, lovely boy of service, orthopedician, Raj, the beloved son of Chetan and Geeta, please convey my greetings to him. A lovely fellow. Though I couldn't spend long time with this Prateep, some of these fellows, it's too hard to forget them, nor there any need to forget them either. And then my heartiest greetings with prayers to Bhagavan to shower his blessings on all the volunteers who made this a thumping success. Public address system is nice. Public address system, recording, greetings to you. The music group did an excellent job. And last night, cultural program, the shadow show I saw was unique and very well done. Very well done. And those are the boys and girls who shared their experiences heart to heart. Exemplary, exemplary, full of fun and interest. I'm very, very happy. I thank once again all of you. The moment I stepped into the camp, it's my practice to ask the names of the people. Yes. And one girl rushed to me, started smiling and started receiving me. I said, "What's your name?" She said, "I'm Khushbu," she said. Khushbu is the name of film actor. Huh? I see. Are you? Yes. And then she said, "I'm Khushbu Punjabi," she said. Punjabi is a Sindhi, I know. Then, "Are you Sindhi?" "Yes, uncle," he said. So I remember Khushbu Punjabi for that reason as I met her at the entrance of this conference, of this venue. Well, I might have forgotten one or two names. Satyan, the beloved son of our Thayapuran, Satyan, yeah, I want to have him as my disciple. Very good question, very good question. And the Satyan asked one question yesterday. What did he ask? One question. The discussion, youth were sitting there. I never expected that as a little boy to put that question. After all, what is age? Very is. Satyan, the son of our Thayapuran. You know what he said? There's some discussion going on. This little boy said, we were discussing about happiness in life. That boy said, will job bring you happiness? Will job bring you happiness? Finish, I have no answer. Oh, what a question it is, huh? Yes, that is the stuff of that fellow. Then came another answer from a boy hailing from Sai family again. What did he say? Job will not make you happy. That what you put into the job will make you happy. That is from Prateek. Yes. And lovely, the son of Gopi and Prema. I really enjoyed going around your workshops, talking to everybody. I enjoyed your company. I really love your smiles. I really appreciate your wonderful participation in keen interest. I eagerly look forward to a day that in Canada, the National Youth Conference will be full of students all over, 500 minimum. That you will have it for the next conference, take it from me. 500, you will have it. No doubt about it. You will have it, you will achieve it, we'll work from now on. Well, my friends, what am I to say? What did Baba tell the young children of your age, young people of your age? What did Baba tell you? Before what Baba told you, I have few words which I want you to remember. Next conference I will ask you. Very important words. What are they? First word, inspire. Inspire. Inspiration is very important, not perspiration. Inspiration, inspire. You should get inspired and inspire others. Let youth of Canada inspire themselves and inspire other youngsters, your friends, your relations, your classmates, the other colleagues in your offices. Inspire. The second word, involve. involved. Having been inspired, it is not enough if you relax, sleep and snore. No, no. Come on. Jump in. No Hindu goes to Mecca. No Muslim comes to Tirupati. If there is any place where all religions meet at one place in this world, it is Prashanti Nilayam, Bhagavan. Above all, unbelievable thing, Iran, Iraq, Dubai, Kuwait, Bahrain, these are the places where strong Muslims, staunch. If you speak anything, you'll be no more tomorrow. From that Gulf countries, hundreds of devotees are coming to have darshan of Bhagavan Sri Sat Sai Baba. Unbelievable. Would you believe they recite Veda? Muslims reciting Veda. Try with another Muslim, your neighbor. You'll be no more next minute. Yes. Unbelievable. And Japan Buddhism is very popular, mostly adopted there. 300 Japanese came to Prashantilayam, Japanese natives, not Indian born, Japan settled, no, Pakka natives. Japanese face you can find out how the face it is. Face is nice, suddenly like that. Those Japanese face. And those people started reciting Veda for 1.5 hours. That is Bhagavan Sri Sat Sai Baba. Khanda khandantara kyatina jinchina. Khanda khandantara kyatina jinchina. Mahani Yulanugan Matrubhumi. This is sacred land that has given birth to sages and seers. Pachachavirula paradrolinchiyu Swatantriyamuganna Samarabhumi. A country that has driven out the foreign rule by non-violence. Sangeeta Shastriya Sahitya Vijalatoda. Sangeeta Shastriya Vijalatoda Chitramai Unnatti Bharata Bhumiyandu Janana Mundi Bharata Mata Bhagyambu Kapada Bhajatantayumide Vijarthulara. Bhajatantayumide Vijarthulara. A country that is the birthplace of literature, sculpture and art. A country that has driven out the foreign rule by non-violence. A country that's a spiritual torchbearer. When I listen to Swami's poems, I am lost in ecstasy. Nobody can write like that. You guys, having settled in Canada, having accepted Canadian citizenship, what Baba Love says, be a Canadian 100%. Be a Canadian. Young boys and girls, as they grow up, they should not be matter of worry, anxiety, tension to your parents. Some of the parents. Fourthly, be a leader where you are. Be a leader where you are. If one youth member is in a village, he should be able to organize Balavikas. He should be able to organize youth services. He should be able to organize Sai Center. Everyone should be a leader for yourself. That's my dream for you. All of you should be leaders. That you should lead the entire community to success, spiritual fulfillment. Mr. Mitran politely gave me indication that it is time that I should wind up. Okay? It is very hard to wind up, but yet all good things should come to an end at one time or other. Children, I'm very happy to in your midst. You cannot estimate my joy. You cannot measure my ecstasy. You can never imagine how happy I am. Why? I gave my life for the organization. Such an organization, I gave my life. I never had any family time. Gave my life for the organization. When Swami has withdrawn physically, it was very painful to take it. What will happen to the organization? Who will take care of this organization? How to protect this organization from blackmailers, from those who want to split it, from those who have false claims, the fake notes. That has been my concern, a deep feeling. But seeing Canada is so many youth, such as I organization is sure and safe in Canada. In Canada, there's no doubt about it. There's no doubt about it. May you be independent. May you be unique. I may come and tell you, Swami appeared in my dream, wanted me to have your property. Don't be a fool to believe me. Yes. Swami appeared in my dream, wanted you to give me Mercedes car. Don't be a madcap to me. If there is any message, Swami will convey to you directly. He doesn't need a postman. Why? Antaranga Sai, Anadhanada Sai. He is within you. Why should he appear in others' dream? One fellow went on speaking of his dreams. So much I got fed up with that. Finally I told him, Swami appeared in my dream and told me not to believe you. There is only one God, Bhagavan Sri Sathya Sai Baba. There is only one official agency by name Sri Sathya Sai Central Trust. There is no other trust. Do not trust other trusts. Only one trust, Sri Sathya Sai Central Trust, founded by Baba and is the founder president. Let us not deviate our attention. Let us not pervert our ideas. Let us be with Swami. Come what may. Come what may. The whole world may desert me. The whole world may condemn me. Come what may. So though Baba is my life belt, Baba is my savior, I don't bother about the rest. Boys and girls, I don't know how much additional extra time I have taken. Beg your pardon, brothers, both Pradeep and Mithran. But yet, even Swami could not control me when I was speaking like that. Once he said, Anil Kumar, Chalaya, Rep Chepdu Gani. He said, Anil Kumar, part 1 for today is enough. Tomorrow you can tell again. Swami had to plead with me. Do you know what I said? Swami, it's not my mistake. Why am I speaking like that continuously? The beauty of your message is there. The taste of your message makes me to speak continuously. It's not my mistake. Manchide levaya, manchide levaya. Good, good. At one time he said, Anil Kumar, I'm not happy with you. Before everybody. Why, Swami? You always say, Baba said, Baba said. What is all this? Are you my trumpet? People will think that I'm taking you along with me for propaganda. Why do you do that? Then I said, Swami, let me take leave from you. I don't want to know anything else. Why? You said everything under the sun. Nothing needs to be added. I know how to quote you only. If you don't want me, drop me like hot potato. Do you know what he said? I want all these people to know that you know Baba's message. Therefore, I have put this question, he said. Therefore, my friends, let us be champions of Sai cause. Let us be captains of Sai mission. Let us be messengers of Sai message. May Baba bless you forever. विभूति सुंदर साई राम साई राम louder विभूति सुंदर साई राम सत्य साई राम Bless you. May Baba be with you forever and ever, guide you, lead you to success, greater success, heights of excellence. Sai Ram.